Three little birds by my doorstep. Think they see me. Go, where's my window? Hey, pretty birds. That one's crunching. Everybody's having their morning dog food. My son poured out a bunch of dog food out there last night. Oh, here comes one incoming. Like, what you guys eating over here? What you eating over here? Oh, that's some. Oh, there's another. Oh, and more. I love these birds. Oh, some of them got chicken. Okay, well, they're all over here. Some of them. The three. And the other one's got chicken. They all scared each other.